Keisha went missing in July 2010 from her home at Mount Druitt in Sydney's west. It took some 9 months and an exhaustive police investigation before there was any sort of breakthrough, and that came with the arrest and charges of Keisha's mother, Kristi Abrahams, and her stepfather, Robert Smith, who were both charged with murder. And of course her remains were found at bushland in Shalby. Since then, the stepfather, Robert Smith, has pleaded guilty to manslaughter and being an accessory, and he's awaiting sentencing. Today, Kristi Abrahams was due to face a 2-day committal hearing to test the evidence for this case, and a magistrate was to decide then whether there was sufficient evidence for her to stand trial. However, her lawyer indicated that they had decided to waive the right to a committal hearing, meaning the case would proceed directly to the Supreme Court for trial. And apparently that decision was only made very late on Friday. The magistrate in this case took the opportunity to make a number of comments. He said that the community had felt betrayed and was outraged, but he also said that the society was underpinned by the rule of law, and he urged the community to allow the judicial process to take its course. He also praised the police involved in the investigation, saying that it had been painstaking and tenacious work by the officers involved, and indeed some officers, there had been an emotional toll from the case. Now, Kristi Abrahams, as I mentioned, will go to the Supreme Court for trial, and the first point at which the case will be heard by a judge will be in September this year.